Fiberglass is a highly versatile lightweight material that is often used as a durable and cost-effective alternative to concrete, wood, and metal. Available in a wide range of formulations, fiberglass couples the formability of plastic with the strength of glass. The unique properties of fiberglass make it useful for a wide range of industries and applications. Fiberglass is a combination of resin and glass fibers which creates a fiber-reinforced plastic. Fiberglass is made by adding resin to the glass fibers. Different resins can then be added to make the product stronger, tougher, and less brittle. Fiberglass can easily be molded into a variety of shapes and is incorporated into many industrial products due to its malleability and durability, including everything from equipment shelters to ducts to airplanes. Fiberglass offers numerous advantages over more traditional steel, wood, concrete, and other materials for a wide range of industries. With exceptional versatility, this lightweight material can easily be incorporated into virtually any application. Qualities that make fiberglass superior to other materials include mechanical strength, electrical insulation, thermal resistance, fire retardant properties, dimensional stability, compatibility, microbe and pest resistance. Industrial fiberglass offers excellent thermal and electrical insulation, flame and corrosion resistance, and lightweight strength for safer, more efficient operations in the following industries: water and wastewater, chemical manufacturing, construction, HVAC, and air handling. Follow us for more information about fiberglass industry.